Israeli jet strikes to Hamas post in Gaza. Hamas hails UN resolution condemning Israeli occupation. Turkish president supports Hello Brother campaign. Arab summit won't discuss Syria membership, spokesman. Assad regime never sought to regain Golan, opposition. Egypt naval forces depart to France for naval drill. London mayor asks PM May to use Islamophobia definition. Cyclone Idai kills over 700 in southern Africa, officials. Somalia, terrorist bombs, gunfire kill at least 10. Indonesia, death toll in Papua floods claims to 112. Afghans protest civilian deaths in alleged USA raid. Pakistan, Islamabad military parade honors National Day.